Hey guys, how are you all today? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I thought of doing a get ready with me for Rakhi since it's been a really long time and we haven't done a get ready with me video. Now the outfit and all the products I am going to be using are in the description box, so make sure you check that out. Place your orders real quick because Rakhi is just around the corner. In case you're wondering, I did film this pre-Rakhi, so I know a lot of you want to get your outfit and makeup sorted before the function. So hopefully this video is going to give you some sort of inspiration. Again, the description box has all the products, so make sure you check that out. And without further ado, let's get started. So I will be starting off with the Clinique Moisture Surge. This is a really lightweight moisturizer. You just let that stay on for some time, and while that happens, I'm going to take out my foundation and we're going to get started with that. Now, since I know that the whole event is going to be indoors and I'm not going to be outside in the sun for a long time, and also the event isn't going to go all day, I'm not going to use a primer. In fact, this moisturizer that I just showed you, the Clinique Moisture Surge, serves as a primer as well. So I'm not going to use like another layer because I want it to look like a very natural makeup look. I don't want it to be very cakey. So I'm going to go in now with the Clinique Even Better Foundation. This one is almost out of product because I use it so much. I'll be mixing that with a little bit of the Makeup Coordinator from the Face Shop. Now we're going to use a brush. This one is the Real Techniques Expert Face Brush, and I'm just going to blend all of this in. Remember, the more time you take to blend the whole product, the better your makeup looks. Second step is concealer. I'll be using these two concealers. One is the LA Girl Pro Conceal and the second one is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. I will leave the links to all these products down below. Now with the Instant Age Rewind concealer, I'll just be doing the under eyes. Not too much, because when you start spreading it, वो anyway इतना spread हो जाता है कि आपको पूरे में लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है. This one just goes all over the blemishes, so we're just going to do that. So I'm just going to be using my Makeup Revolution palette. This is how it looks. I'm sorry for all the fingerprints on it. Now I am going to be using this shade right here and then this shade right over here. This one is just going to be like a base shade, and then this one I'm just going to use for glitter on top. just curled my hair, and I already have a tutorial on how to curl your hair using a straightener, so I will leave a link right here. Make sure you check it out, girls. It gives such good waves. The straightener that I have is from Vega. It's for $9.99. Amazing quality, amazing product. Also, I'm going to go and change into my outfit. The one I have is from Amazon. I ordered it 2 days ago and it just came in the morning. But before that, I just wanted to highlight and contour my collarbones because I entirely forgot to do that. So that was it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope this video gave you some sort of inspiration, and please dress up real nice, have fun on Rakhi Day. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and do make sure you subscribe to the channel. Also leave your comments below, let me know what other videos you want to watch, and if you're not following me on Instagram, my ID is right over here, so you can definitely have a look at the profile, and if you like it, maybe you can follow, because I do go live very often, so we can definitely have a chit chat as well. And yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys have a wonderful Rakhi with your brothers and sisters. If any guy is watching this, you can shop for your sisters. Links down below. Trust me, your sisters are gonna love these products. And yeah, that was about it. I really hope you enjoyed. I'm gonna see you guys next time. Till then, bye bye.